Understand. This one Satya, just this one Satya, I tell you, these great truths revealed in our Upanishads are not myth. Myth, mythology, this word is the most abusive word given to our Puranas and Shastras and Upanishads. Myth is an abusive word. I am telling you, the right word for our Puranas, Upanishads, Shastras is subjective truth. When Bhagavatam says Krishna lifted the whole Govardhana hill with his little finger, it is not myth or mythology. It is a subjective truth. A person who wants to live the truth, for him it is truth. Subjective truth. Understand, Shivoham is not myth, mythology. No. It is subjective truth. Subjective truth. Whatever you remember in you, in your inner space, can either suffocate you or make you blissful, expanded. If you remember something painful, it suffocates you. If you remember something blissful, it expands you. Anything which suffocates you is a pattern. Anything you remember and suffocates you is pattern. Anything you remember and expands you is subjective truth. Shivoham, aham brahmasmi, tattvamasi, prajnanam brahma, soham hamsaha. All these Mahavakyas are not myth, it is subjective truth. Start living it. Tsunamis don't stop because of the plastic covers lying on the beach. Shivoham does not stop because of few stupid incompletions you are having in your being. Anything which you remember, anything suffocates you by remembrance is incompletion. Anything expands you by remembrance is subjective truth. I tell you, tsunamis does not get stopped by plastic covers lying on the beach. Shivoham tsunami does not get stopped by few stupid incompletions lying in your being. I am not just Shivoham tsunami, Super Shivoham tsunami. Tsunami. Understand, the Shivoham tsunami cannot be stopped by any of the incompletions you remember or don't remember which is inside you. And first of all, you need to understand, as a constitutional setup of consciousness, listen. See, your consciousness as a constitutional setup. the basic constitution of the consciousness does not allow incompletions to be inside it by its nature. They are ejected out. Understand? A good DVD player, the moment you put corrupt CD, no, as a setup, it just ejects it out. It does not play. It does not tolerate it. Same way, the constitutional setup of your consciousness does not play with incompletion. By its very nature, it just ejects it, rejects it. So, don't be sitting and calculating the plastic covers and coffee tumblers lying in the Marina Beach and thinking that such a dirty place, how will the tsunami come? Tsunami cannot be stopped by the plastic covers. Shivoham cannot be stopped by the small incompletions you think you are having. As I said, start living. Start living. Start living. That is the only key. I can bless you tons of times, but only you can live it. So more than my blessings, you need your blessing.